He looks like a small doll in a cabbage patch, eating so deliciously. He truly is a dog who loves nature. Look at how his owner is massaging his face. His eyes are closed tightly, indicating he is very relaxed. He carefully picks up the fish with his mouth and gently transfers them to the adjacent tank where they swim together. He is so warm-hearted. Oh look, the hamster is gnawing on a mooncake bigger than its face, small but determined. The cat sits staring at the little dog lying on its back on the floor, trying to attract the cat's attention with its antics. The little cat is fiercely hitting the brave brown dog's face. It's not afraid of anything, even though the dog is much larger. The dog is walking and exploring the garden, seemingly curious about everything around, tasting the leaves like a tiny explorer. The little dog looks like an angel with white flowers on its head in a beautiful flower field. The cat is causing trouble for him. The cat keeps holding onto the dog's leg, not letting go. The cat seems very curious about the dog's shoes. The little dog is being spoon-fed. He is so spoiled it. The food seems very delicious as he licks the bowl clean. The two small friends share an apple together like in a fairy tale. Whether dog or rabbit, they can become good friends. This cat looks like it is sneakily watching us from behind the curtain, with eyes full of mischief and curiosity. Oh no, he has torn his owner's shoes. He's trembling with fear, knowing he has done something wrong. He seems very curious about the dancing tree, imagining it as a new friend and can't take his eyes off it. He looked genuinely angry, only given 2 pieces of food while there's a whole box full. He tries to patiently wait for more. He's delivering goods but lost some items. He looks so pitiful sitting still, with eyes pleading for his lost items back. This dog looks like a tiny snowman. This outfit really suits him. He will surely be the star of this winter. Our dog can actually enjoy watching movies like this. With a jar of snacks beside him, he looks very relaxed. Look at him hugging that huge cake with a very happy face, as if he doesn't want to share with anyone. The cake must be very delicious.